Many people dream of achieving a toned, flat stomach, but the idea of spending countless hours at the gym can be overwhelming. The good news? You don't need expensive equipment or a gym membership to make it happen. With a little discipline and a simple at-home workout plan, you can achieve the abs you've always wanted, all from the comfort of your home. This structured program consists of highly effective exercises designed to target belly fat and strengthen your core. You'll only need a mat, a commitment to consistency, and 6 days of dedication per week. Give yourself one rest day to allow your muscles to recover, then jump right back in. Let's get started. Number 1. Planks. Start in a forearm plank position, resting on your forearms and toes, keeping your body straight and core engaged. Avoid sagging or arching your back. Hold this position for 30 seconds in the first week. Each week, increase the duration by 10 seconds, reaching a full minute by week 4. Number 2. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands lightly touching your ears and legs extended. Bring your right knee toward your chest while twisting your torso so your left elbow meets your right knee. Alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Start with 15 reps and increase by 5 each week, working up to 30 reps in the 4th week. Number 3. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Keep your legs together and slowly lift them to a 90-degree angle. Lower them back down without touching the floor, holding the position briefly before lifting again. Begin with 10 reps and increase by 2 each week, reaching 16 by the final week. Number 4. Bird dogs. Start on all fours with hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your right arm forward while simultaneously stretching your left leg back, keeping both parallel to the floor. Hold for 2 seconds before returning to the starting position. Repeat on the other side. Perform 20 reps, increasing the hold time by 2 seconds each week, reaching an 8-second hold by week 4. For all of above exercise, do 3 sets per session. This program isn't a magic fix, but if followed consistently, it will deliver real results. No shortcuts, just commitment. To maximize your progress, pair these exercises with a balanced, portion-controlled diet. If you ever feel discouraged, remind yourself that the effort will be worth it. Start today, stay dedicated, and soon enough, you'll see the transformation you've been working for, all without setting foot in a gym. Enjoyed this guide? Share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips.